Hello! We have some exciting news for you. Getfloorplan layouts have become even more realistic. We've added sunlight to them. Now users can enjoy even more realistic virtual tours and 3D floor plans. With sunlight, your home for sale will become even cozier and more comfortable. Imagine sunlight streaming through the windows, creating an atmosphere of warmth and coziness in every room. Now your clients can truly feel at home, even in virtual space. They can see how their home will look on a sunny day, helping them make more informed decisions when planning their future housing. Experience realism with Getfloorplan and create your ideal home today. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like, and share this video with those interested in the latest developments in real estate. Use promo code GETSTART to get a 35% discount on your first floor plan order. See you in the next videos.